first very excited, now really amazed by what has happened today, and from the entire team. The whole Requiem and how to find a journey from beginning to end that has a meaningful impulse and that it can resonate throughout the entire Requiem. All of the segments somehow have a special meaning and a special feeling, and somehow each one individually stays really into your ears and into your body.
És com un reviure les persones que estimes. I nosaltres ho hem pogut fer ballant, amb música en directe. Posa un element en l'artista que és que et posa en el moment present. No pots anar anticipant, evidentment, saps la coreografia, anticipes els moviments, la tècnica, tot, però et fa estar en el aquí i l'ara. I tant si la nota va més ràpida, si no, el silenci és més llarg, si el silenci és més curt, has d'estar amb ells. I això només ho té el directe.
And we had to rehearse thinking that we would be seen from all the sides, so there's nothing we can hide from the back, because we were seen by the audience from the back anyways. And then when we went on stage, we actually saw all the seats around the stage, and it felt very strange, but also very comforting in a way, because we could feel the energy of the people around us while we were dancing.